Welcome to Mayfield Falls. My name is Mr. Carver. Otherwise, Duke Gotchi, that's my real name, Duke Gotchi. But I'm the one who make all these carvings. You know, these carvings, I do some from cedar, some from the ironwood. You know? So, you know, these species, a lot of people love these species, like the white people them. Yeah, some scammer people, them love it too, you know? Because, you know, so them a skull specialist, you know? And about my art right now, I do it for my youth, you know?
And you look
So,
pitney.
yeah, from my local youth.
How you learn?
Well, I see friends just to make just the face, you know, but you may love it so much now, I start inspire things so much for my own self, so I start come up with some ideas and start view things in my memories.
You teach yourself how to carve?
Yeah, man.
By just watching?
Yeah, by just
Oh.
watching. When I really go to school, go do it. You know?
What the biggest piece you ever do?
The biggest piece, boy, I tell you, one big piece is bigger than you.
Bigger than me?
Yeah. But that the man, you know, is a man who you can really, you know, naked man, you know.
Yeah. That's a machete?
Yeah,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
When you say you do this from little pitney, what you mean? What age?
Like from about 18, 17, 18.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. So, you know, it's a long time that I do it over about 40 years.
You love doing it?
Yes, man, I'm a hobby, you know. You know, when you have something, when you have a talent for jaggy, you know, you have to just work with it, you know, because if me never have this talent, boy, you know, this is perilous time, I'm going to say serious time, you don't know where it will go.
Yeah.
So every time get rough, you know.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man, because every time I look on TikTok, people are bad.
Yeah, true.
Or the government now help the poor people and then just out for the rich people, and I directly see that too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so every day I thank God for the strength and the gift I give me, you know. You have a lot of people have gifts, you know, and them not use it up, you know, them I watch the next man gift, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, but me
You give thanks.
give thanks for my one, you know.
Yeah.
So me I say all the youth them think about other people gift. You know, just depend on the one what God give them and just work off it, because as long as them work off what God give them, you know, they may achieve them goal in the future, you know.
Yeah.
Put on the gun and focus on the gift of Jaggy, you know.
Yeah.
So you live longer and you inherit things from what Jaggy, you know. So that's all I can say to the youth them, you know.
Yeah, bless up. How people can reach you if they want support your thing?
Well, to be honest, you know, them can call me from my phone. My phone number is 568 3450. Otherwise, anytime they come on Mayfield Falls, original Mayfield Falls, they may find me right here. I will be here.
Alright.
Yeah,
Thank you,
man,
Carver.
so one love. You take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, bless it, bless it.